In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your photos into different art styles using Adobe Firefly. Stay tuned and I'll show you how.
Studio Shepherd.
So starting in Adobe Photoshop, we're going to create an artboard that's 1200 by 1600 pixels and click Create. Drag your image in and we're going to scale this to our artboard. When you're done, go up to File, Save a Copy, save this as a JPEG, and click Save. Now we're going to jump across to Adobe Firefly. So we're going to type in the prompt of the image that we want to create. So I'm going to type oil painting of a blonde woman, close-up portrait, in Renaissance style, rich textured brushstrokes, textured canvas. Then click Generate. Now we're going to adjust some settings, so change the aspect ratio to portrait 3:4 to match our image, and I'm going to select the painting effect. Then click Generate, and we should end up with 4 images here. Pick your favorite, and we're going to go up to Edit, Use as Style Reference, which is going to add it into our left-hand panel. Now if we scroll up, we can add our composition reference, so that's our image that we created earlier. Open this, and click Continue. And I'm going to bump up the strength slider to full. Now click Generate again, and we should end up with 4 oil painting versions of our image. Now we can click Generate again to create 4 more options to choose from. Select the one that you like, and I'm going to click Upscale to create a higher definition version of our image. And so this is my final result that you can download for later. So now I'm going to show you some alternative ways to create some different art styles. So in this method, we're going to have a simple prompt, so simply blonde woman close-up portrait. And then we're going to change the content type to art and scroll down, and under the style reference, we can actually browse this gallery of a bunch of preset styles to choose from. So here I'm going to select this watercolor style, and we just need to write this into the prompt. Then click Generate, and we should end up with this watercolor version of our photo. We can also explore an oil painting preset. So again, I'm going to write oil painting into the prompt and click Generate. So this one needs a bit of work, a few more generations, but it's a good start. So following the same steps, we can explore all of the different art styles and apply them to our image. And that's how to turn your photos into different art styles using Adobe Firefly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest design tips. I'll see you in the next video.